In the previous video, we have talked about the class in which we have put several elements in the single class and applied the same style to all division element. But here we will talk about the ID. So ID you can give with any elements and you can change the style. So here you can see first header has light blue background color, second header has gold color and third header has light green color. So using ID you can give the separate color to each header and you can also interact with any of this header using JavaScript. So here I have written the JavaScript for third header. So once you are clicking the third header, you get the changed text here. So here you can see the header clicked. So today we will see how ID will help you to make different styles for the different elements and to recognize the elements in JavaScript. So here we will write h1 tag and in that I am writing the first header. Then I simply copy this and I am making two more header here. So I am taking this is my second header and this is my third header. Now I am saving this document and refresh the page. I am getting three headers here. Now suppose I want to apply the CSS for the first header. So using ID I can do it. So here I am writing ID is equal to first header. You can give the any name but you take care of case sensitivity. So here once I am writing the first header, I can write the style for that. So I can write style here in which if I want to write for ID first header, I simply using the hash symbol and then I am writing the name of my ID that is first header and then using curly braces I can write the style here. So I am taking one background color. So I am taking light blue here. Then suppose I am taking some padding here. So I am taking padding as a 40 pixel here and I am taking one more style that is text align that I am taking to the center here and then refresh the page. You can see here for my first header having ID first header, you can see the style has been applied here. So you can see the background light blue and then you have padding that is 40 pixel here and text align center here. So now if you want to add similar style for the second header, you can write another unique ID to the second header that is suppose second header here and for that suppose I am writing similar block here then just I'll copy it and paste it and instead of first header I am taking second header and instead of light blue I am taking another color that is gold here. Text align suppose I am writing right here and refresh the page. So you can see my second header is right aligned with the gold background. For the third header I can also take one ID that is third header and for the third header also I can write the CSS here and in that I am taking another color that is light green here and alignments I am taking center here. So you can see my third elements with the light green backgrounds and center aligned. So if you want to apply the different style for particular elements like header here, you cannot write the H1 block directly in the style. Instead of that, you can give the unique ID to each elements and you can write the different style for HTML elements using hash followed by the ID here. Now suppose if you want to interact with your third header, then you can write some event code here, that is, suppose on clicking of the third header I want to change the text, so I can write the JavaScript in which I am taking on click here, in which I am writing one functions, that is change text. And once I am clicking on the third header, my text should be changed here. So for that I am using the JavaScript. So I am writing script tag, and in that I am taking one function. Name is change text, and then I am taking curly braces, and in that I am using document objects of JavaScript dot get element by ID, because here I have given the ID. So in ID I have to use this one. So I'll simply copy it and paste it. So JavaScript will recognize my third header, and in that I have to change inner HTML to text like header clicked. So when I click onto the third header, I will call the change text functions, and I have written simple JavaScript here that will be execute, and you are using the document objects, and in that you are taking get element by ID. So ID is third header, so it will change the inner HTML of that header to the new text. So we will save this document and refresh the page and click on the third header. So we are getting header clicked here. So using get elements by ID, you can interact with the web page here. So I hope you understand what is the importance of ID. We can use the ID for creating the bookmark also, that we have seen in the previous video. So this is all about the ID attributes. Thank you very much. If you like this video, press like and subscribe the channel and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notifications. Thanks for watching.